Okay, so today, guys, I want to talk to you about how to go through a writing prompt. Okay, so when you get a writing prompt, it's got all this information on here. And the first thing that I want you guys to do is I want you to understand what type of writing they're asking you to do. So on this one, they're asking you to do expository writing. Okay, and expository writing means you have to have a thesis statement. You have to prove your opinion, right? So it's super, super important. The first thing that you need to do is you don't really need to even consider what's in this box unless you can't think of anything. So you don't even need to read that quote. The next thing you need to do is read this. Think carefully about the following statement. People often have unrealistic dreams and views of themselves. Okay? So just think about that for a minute. Now the actual prompt, what they're actually asking you to write about is explaining what kind of person actually becomes a legend. Okay? So once you get to this point, then you have to start thinking about, well, what is a legend? Okay? What are we talking about here? Okay? So it has this checklist here. This checklist is really important because it gives you the information you need that needs to be in your paper, right? Clearly state your controlling idea, also known as your thesis. Okay? Organize and develop your explanation. That means explaining your thoughts effectively. Okay? So you can't just list all your ideas and not give any development, any thought other than just listing it. Because the next one says specific support for your argument, for your idea, to support your idea. You need to make sure you choose your words carefully. You only have 27 lines, 1 page. That's it. And then, of course, correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and sentences. So on this one, what I want you guys to do now is I want you to think about this idea of what a legend is. Okay? So I want you to think about a legend. So down here at the bottom, I want you to write, what is a legend? Okay? And then I want you to write, who are legends? So for today, your whole lesson today, I want y'all, you can work with each other, you can work as a group. I don't know how your teacher is going to ask you to do this, but I want you to figure out what is a legend. What in your mind is a legend? Okay? And then who do you think are legends? Who do you think are legends? That's all you're going to do today, okay? So I want you to go back. I want you to write out what is a legend, because you cannot write about something if you don't know what it is. So you have to have it clearly thought out in your mind as to what a legend is, because then you have to prove what kind of person actually becomes a legend, right? So you're going to need to know what a legend is. Who are some legends that you know of? Before you even start trying to figure out how to explain what kind of person actually becomes a legend.